Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Also I want to welcome the students of 11th Science that the most important topic, that is important IPC name of organic compounds, and that is alkane related. Actually in my previous video in basic concept of chemistry, here I have explained what are the rules of IPAC name and what is meant by isomerism. All things I have cleared. Relating to that subject, that is nomenclature, rule of nomenclature. Here I want to show some important IPAC name of alkane. You see first one CS3, CH3, and in middle that is this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 2 position there is methyl group, so it is, what is the name, 2-methyl propane. The parent house, that is propane, the parent hydrocarbon, that is propane, and 2 position methyl group, so 2-methyl propane. What is the common name? This is called iso group, CH3, CH3. The combination of CH3, CH3, that is called iso, and here in 2 position, that is in CH3 group. That means here in isobutane, when iso word you will count all the number of carbon atoms. Here for 4 number of carbon atoms, that is isobutane. And what is IPC name? That is 2 position methyl group and parent hydrocarbon propane, so it is 2-methyl propane. Second, here see, this is after 1 and 2. If you count from this side in 2 position methyl group, if you count from this side 1, 2, 3, so it is far away from that end, it is near to end. That is why it is, you will count like this: 1, 2 and 3, 4. So 2 position methyl, 2-methyl butane. Again see, in 2 position methyl group, so 2-methyl butane. And what is the common name? We see here, this is called iso, because this group is called iso. And how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is why it is known as isopentane. Again see, if this is combination, this combination is called iso. CH3, 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 CH3. This is iso. So, and number of carbon atoms 5. So, isopentane. Then come to here. How can you count this one? 1, 2, 3. Or you can count from this side 1, 2, 3. That means in 2 position, 1 methyl above, 1 methyl below. So below this carbon, that is why in 2 position there are 2 methyl group. 2 methyl group means di. 2 position means 2, 2. 2, 2 hyphen dimethyl propane. See here propane, because 1, 2, 3, the parent hydrocarbon is propane and 2 position methyl, another 2 position methyl, so it is 2, 2 dimethyl propane. And what is the common name? That is neopentane. Similarly, here you can see, this is also, you can say this is iso, this is called iso. So let us see common name first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called isohexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isohexane. And what is the IPAC name? If you will count from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 there is a methyl group. That is not possible, because here if you count from this side, this is 1, 2. You can see from this side 1, 2. From this side is 4. So it is the rule, that is 1, 2, 2 methyl. 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 methyl pentane. What is the name? 2-methyl pentane. Next one, see here, in the middle is the CH3. From this side you count 1, 2, 3. From this side you count 1, 2, 3. So it is your choice. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means parent hydrocarbon is pentane, and 3 position, that is methyl group. So 3-methyl pentane. Then come to here. You can see here there are 2 substituents in position 1, 2, 1, 2. That means here, if you count this side, the 2 position there is a methyl group. If you count from that side, this side, it will also 2 methyl. That is why you can count from each side. It is your choice. So let 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 methyl, 2 methyl. That means in 2 position there is a methyl group and 3 position there is a methyl group. That is why 2, 3 dimethyl. And what is the parent hydrocarbon? 4 carbon. So it is 2, 3 dimethyl butane. Next is your see 1, 2, 3. In 3 position the 2 methyl group present. But from this side you count 2 methyl, there is there are 2 methyl present. You can see here there is 2 position, there is methyl group. In 3 position there is a methyl group. That is what is the name? 2, 3 dimethyl butane. That means if you count from this side also there is 2 methyl. If you count from this side that is also 2 methyl, 3 methyl. That is why you should write 2, 3 dimethyl butane. Now last one see here CH3 CH2. That means suppose you want to count from this side 1, 2, 3. And if you count from that side 1, 2 which is near to the end. This substituent near to this end. That is why how to write this one 1, 2, 3, 4. That means in 2 position there are 2 methyl group. 2 position 2 methyl group. That is why 2, 2 dimethyl. What is the longest chain hydrocarbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. That is why 2, 2 dimethyl butane. If you want to see again, see this one 1, 2, 3, or you can count 1, 2, 3 both are same. There is a 2 methyl propane and common name is isobutane. If you count this one in 2 position methyl group, and that is why 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it is near to end. The substance which near to end you will count from this side. So it is 2 methyl butane. Why butane? Because the longest chain is 4 carbon. 4 carbon with butane and isopentane common name. Here you can say 1, 2, 3 or you can say 1, 2, 3. There are 2 position here. In 2 position there are 2 methyl. That is why 2, 2 dimethyl propane, that is called neopentane. And here why I am giving that red color round, because this group is known as iso. When iso will use, that means you will count all the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is your isopentane. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 isohexane. Here 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. That means which is near to end? This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means pen, that longest chain, and here 2 methyl pentane. Then now here also you can find 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It is your choice. You can count from this side or that side also, no problem. So it is 3 methyl pentane. Next is 2, 3 dimethyl butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also you can count from any side, left or right. Then come to here 2 position, there are 2 methyl groups. Here there is a chance you can count from left side or you can count from right side. But from left side it will under 4 position. When you count from right side, it is only 2 position, that is near to end. That is why 2, 2 dimethyl butane. Next you will see other IPSC name. Where the IPSC name of this structure, that is 4-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. Then how? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The longest carbon chain is 36. That is hexane, and in post here 1, 2 there is methyl group, and 2, 3, 4 there is a ethyl group. But if you count from this side 1, 2, 3 ethyl group, and here it is methyl group. That means here what to do? 1, it is near to end. It is near to end means it is second position. It is third position. So it is near to end. The substituent near to end. That is why it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 4-ethyl. According to alphabet, ethyl comes first. 4-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. Are you clear? actually 2 position methyl group and 4 position ethyl group. So it is 4 ethyl 2 methyl hexane. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if you see 1, 2, 3, if you count from this side 1, 2, 3. But question is whether you will count from this side or you will count from this side, because 3 position that is from left and right side, the 3 position that having substituent. Then you check it which is alphabetical comes first, methyl or ethyl. That means here ethyl comes first. That is why we count from this side. Again see, if it is equivalent position on either side, then you see the substituent in alphabetical order. That means here it is 3 ethyl, 5 methyl heptane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So heptane, the longest carbon chain heptane, and that is 3 position ethyl and 5 position methyl. Actually ethyl comes first then methyl, but here both are equivalent position from either side to end. Now next is this one, and see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But these two methyl group that are near to this end, that is why you will count this one. But here ethyl methyl both are substituent, but you know ethyl as a alphabetical order it comes first. So here what to write here? Here you should write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly here also that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means here 2, 2 dimethyl and 3 is ethyl. But question which will come first? Ethyl. Alphabetically ethyl come first. So it is 3 ethyl, 2, 2 dimethyl pentane, because the longest carbon chain 5. So 3 ethyl, 2, 2 dimethyl pentane. Then come to here this one. What is the name? First you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again second one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means there are two longest chain. You will find which one the longest one. So the long chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means one side 5 long chain, other side 6 long chain. So we will select the 6 long chain, and that is why you should write here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means in 4 position there are 2 methyl group, in 2 position there are 2 methyl group, and what is the long chain? 6. 6 means hexane, and here there should be no gap here, methyl hexane. So here what happened, in 2 position there are 2 methyl group, in 4 position there are 2 methyl group. That is what is the name? 2, 2, 4, 4, comma 2, comma 2, comma 4, comma 4. Tetramethyl, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tetramethyl. And what is the longest carbon chain? We have J. So what is the name? 2, 2, 4, 4 tetramethyl hexane. Next this one. Again you count from each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means pentane the longest chain. And here that means this side if you count this is near to end. That is why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2 position methyl, in 3 position methyl, so it is 3 methyl. See here, 3 position ethyl group, 3 ethyl, 2 methyl pentane, because pentane is the longest chain, and here in 2 position methyl group, 3 position ethyl group, alphabetically ethyl come first. So 3 ethyl, 2 methyl pentane. Why pentane? Because it is 5 number carbon atom and the longest chain. Now here you can see this side there is no substituent, right side there is no substituent, and left side the ethyl group. So again write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in pentane, and here 2 position there is ethyl group. There is ethyl group, and that is why here it is 2-ethyl pentane. Suppose you will count this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl 6. Now see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is why this is the longest chain. Here the longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 position, that is methyl group. So it should be 3-methyl hexane. So what to write here? 3-methyl hexane. 3-methyl hexane. See again. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 is the longest chain. If you count this at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. This is 4, 4, 5, 6. So here the hexane is the longest chain. That is why you should write 3-methyl hexane. Though it is looking as just like 3-methyl pentane, but since you will find the longest chain, there are 2 possible long chain. One is 5 carbon and other one is 6 carbon. That is why I have to correct it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-methyl hexane. Again, see again. 4-ethyl, 4-ethyl, 2-methyl, 2-methyl, and that is called 4-ethyl, 4-ethyl, 2-methyl hexane. Always you see alphabetic order. And here also 3-ethyl, 5-methyl, then methyl heptane, because 7 is the longest chain. Similarly, when you can see here, this is 1, 2, 3. There is a 3-ethyl, 2, dimethyl, and pentane, 5 carbon. And here it is. We will count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 4 positions there are 2 methyl group, and 2 positions there are 2 methyl group. That is why 2, 2, 4, 4 tetramethyl hexane. And here also same, this side near to substrate, that is near to end, this substrate near to end, and this one in 3 positions. That is why you should count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 position methyl, 3 position ethyl, alphabetically 3-ethyl, 2-methyl pentane. And last one, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one long chain, other one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 position methyl group, that is why 3-methyl hexane. I hope you can feel now easy, and hope you will subscribe my channel, BL Das Short and Sweet Chemistry.